In this video, we're going to be replacing this AC high pressure fitting, which is located on the passenger side near the battery on this 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Before you start this job, you want to make sure you bring this to a local shop to have the AC refrigerant removed from the system. Using a 16mm wrench, put it on the line so you prevent the line from bending. And then I'm going to use an adjustable wrench on the fitting itself. There is a special socket for this that's in between a 15mm and a 16mm socket, 12 point, and not many people will have it. So do the best you can and loosen this up. Once it's loose, you can do it by hand. It's always a good idea to wear safety glasses when you do this, just in case there's any refrigerant in there, but there's no refrigerant in there. That air you're hearing is just a vacuum. There we go, there's the old one. Just take a little bit of AC, PAG oil, or refrigerant oil and put it on the seal right there. And we'll get it started. And tighten it down. Make sure it's snug. And pull the tool off. If you have the ability to torque this, if you have a socket, torque that to 53 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. After you're done, you can bring the vehicle back to the repair facility and have them recharge the AC.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.